Good day students. I am Vaishali Miss. Today we are going to start with subject English. Today we are going to learn English first poem A Time to Believe. This is one of the great poem written by B.J. Morbidzer. In last period you all saw these warming up exercises. So let us start the poem. Before going to start the poem, let us see some little information about the poet. Robert Joe Morbidzer, and nickname is B.J. Morbidzer, the contemporary poet residing in Ohio. His famous poems are Reminding Me God, Hello God, You Still Have Hope, and so on. A Time to Believe is one of the great poems by him. The poem gives a message of self-belief. This is an inspirational poem which tells us that we can achieve our hopes and dreams if we have belief in ourselves and have positive outlook towards life. So let's see the poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. What the poet want to tell you? That if one has the self-belief, one can live life with optimism. Optimism every day. Poet is telling us that every new day brings us more new things. But if you believe it, you have to believe that there is something new for you with new day. Don't think about past, whatever happened there. Forget about all sorrow in the past and start a day with fresh mind. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do comes true. You should believe that miracles happens. Students, you must believe that miracles happens every day. See students that your exam cancelled and you got so many days holiday. That also miracles. You have believed that miracles happens and your dreams really come true. Yes, if you have some dreams that will become true if you believe yourself. Self belief is very important. Don't become nervous about your failure. Believe yourself, and then the dreams really come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. Have you seen students that angels are dancing? No. But students believe that angels are dancing among the clouds. Just imagine that angels are dancing. Believe that able to see angels dancing in the clouds. Only just imagine that in the clouds there are angels and they are dancing. To know the wonder of a starred sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Stardust means having a magical quality. It is to know that the beauty and magical quality of a sky filled with star and imagine the wisdom of man who is residing on the moon. Just imagine student that man is residing on a moon and he is sitting on a moon. Okay students, just imagine such things. Okay students, always believe in something good and good surely will happen to you. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes. You have to also understand the value of nurturing heart. What is nurturing heart? That is the heart which protect you, which care for you, which provides nourishment for you. If you see in the eyes of a small child, you will feel that word is poor. The small child's eyes are very innocent, and if you look into the eyes of small childs, you will get the value of that someone who nurtures you and looks after you. And the beauty of an egging hands, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. Aging means growing old. Here aging hands means the growing people's hands. Listen students, grown up person always teaches us. They share their experience with us. We get life's lesson from them and from their teaching we learn to love. They teach us to see the world That means to acknowledge the beauty of a person who is growing old, it is through the teaching of these old people that we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. See, student, you have to believe that you are courageous. There is a strength inside you. Never think that you can't do anything. There is courage, boldness inside you. There is lot of hope inside you. You have just find it. Find the strength and courage which is inside you. Whenever you feel that I am not good for anything, I can't do anything, that time find the courage and you will be get success. You will become boldness. When it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Pick up the pieces means what? Return to a normal after a shock or disaster. Okay, student, when you have to find the courage that is inside you, especially when it is time to get over a shock or disaster and return to normal once again. Okay, listen. Suppose you fail in an exam. Don't give up your hopes. Find the strength and hope, and you will achieve your aim. You will be success next time. Pick up that all hopes and start again. You will able to mend all pieces. Believe that you can do it because you are a very courageous. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. You always remember that you are never alone. There is always someone with you. There may be your friend, there may be your parents, maybe colleagues, or there may be teacher always with you. So never feel lonely and believe that the life is a gift that we must value and protect it. Don't waste your time in sorrowfully, but cherish it and enjoy it. And the courage which is inside you take you high and towards your success. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. See the last stanza of the poem now. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. See, believe that the beautiful surprises are just waiting for you. Find the surprises and grasp it. Surprises are at one hand, but you have belief and then you will get it. Good things are going to happen if you believe yourself. See what is this last line poet says? And all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. When our dreams and hopes come true, if we believe ourselves. So, all we must do if we have a positive approach to life and believe in ourselves. So, the poem is very inspirational, which tells we can achieve all our hopes and dreams if we believe in ourselves and if we have a positive outlook towards life.